Nutrition in rearing. For layer, a balanced and nutritious diet during the rearing stage is essential to enable the chick to develop into mature pullet. Chicks and pullets should be fed a coarse diet for particle size. A high proportion of very fine components or structure that is too coarse can lead to selective feed intake and unbalanced nutrient supply. A diet with an extremely fine consistency reduces the feed intake of the birds and can result in lacking supply of certain nutrients. If pelletizing of feed is inevitable for hygiene reasons, the pellet should be crumbled to the recommended consistency. During the efficient growth phase of chicken and pullet, qualitatively different feed varieties should be used in which the nutrient content meets the bird's changing needs. The diets are matched to the nutrient requirement as with development at each stage of growth. The use of chicken starter is recommended if the standard body weight is not reached by feeding grower feed or if the daily feed intake is expected to be low. The switch to developer should only be made when the standard body weight has been reached. A reduced nutrient density and an increased content of root fiber during this phase is beneficial for improving eating capacity. The pre-layer diet has about twice the calcium content of developer, as well as higher level of protein and amino acid. Feeding such as diet for about 10 days prior to the planned start of lay is therefore beneficial. This diet improves flock uniformity by providing a better nutrient supply to late maturing birds and by enabling early maturing birds to obtain sufficient calcium for shell production of the first egg. Here, the recommended requirement for the amino acids: starter, grower, developer, pre-layer, layer feed. Here the lysine, methionine, cysteine, threonine, tryptophan, isoleucine, valine, arginine. The feed should be calculated on the level of digestible amino acid according to an ideal amino acid profile. Above table shows the ratio of most important amino acids as ratios to lysine on digestible level. Correct use of pre-layer feed. Pre-layer feed should be used for a short period of time before flock starts being supplied with phase 1 layer feed. This leads to a smooth transition from the developed feed to calcium and low nutrient density to diet with high calcium and nutrient level. It helps to avoid the often reduced appetite daily feed intake during early production. Typically, pre-layer feed contain about 2 to 2.5% calcium. This is too much for typical feed for rearing, but not enough for birds starting to produce eggs. From nutritional point of view, it's therefore considered a compromise and never as optimal feed. Nevertheless, it's worthwhile to use pre-layer feed for a short period of time. Correct use can enhance the fertility of pullet flock. It's especially beneficial for flock with very low uniformity and also aid the development of calcium metabolism in medullary bones. Since pre-layer feed is compromised feed for the short transition period, it can't supply a bird in full lay sufficiently, therefore it can't be used when feed logistic and correct timing don't work. Please consider the following recommendations while using pre-layer feed. Start using pre-layer feed dependent on the bird's sexual maturity, age, and their standard body weight. Use pre-layer feed for about 10 days with maximum of 1 kg per bird. The wrong way to use pre-layer feed is either to start using it too early or use it too long. For example, if the onset of the lay is scheduled for 19 weeks of age, you may start feeding the bird with pre-lay feed only after the 17 weeks old. In case of the earlier or later production, adjust the schedule accordingly. Here, the weeks: age of transfer, 15 developed feed, and feeding program followed by pre-layer feed. After 8 weeks, after 126 days, immediately الصبيان start lay feed or lay phase 1 feed. In nutrition, laying varies